True facts about life. True facts about life and facts of life quotes. The pain never leaves us, we have to leave the pain. You never find yourself until you face the truth. Good things come to those who wait, greater things come to those who get off their ass and do anything to make it happen. Confidence is directness and courage in meeting the facts of life. Don't be afraid to stand for what you believe in, even if that means standing alone. Change your thoughts and you change your world. The only thing that stands between you and your dream is the will to try and the belief that it is actually possible. Sometimes the person you trust most is the one who trusts you the least. No matter how far you run, you always take yourself with you. The past cannot be changed, forgotten, edited, or erased, it can only be accepted. Every question have an answer, but sometime that answer again becomes a question. We always ignore the ones who adore us, and adore the ones who ignore us. I am thankful for all of those who said no to me. It's because of them I'm doing it myself. Don't worry about failures, worry about the chances you miss when you don't even try. I don't regret the things I've done, I regret the things I didn't do when I had a chance. 3 things you cannot recover in life: the word after it's said, the moment after it's missed, and the time after it's gone. Be careful.